Hey guys, it's Anthony's Tech Tips here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install VMware player, workstation player, and I will leave a link in the description for the download. Okay? So once this is done downloading, open up the file and hit next and hit I agree. You can go through this if you want, but and you can enable this if you want. It doesn't really matter, but if you're run on some platforms under this, you can enable that. So what you want to do is hit next, and you don't have to join this, but I'd recommend it. Make sure both these are checked off, and click install. But here I already have it installed, so I click upgrade. I'll get back to you when this is done downloading. It may take up to 5 to 10 to 15 minutes. It depends on your computer's hard drive speed. And also make sure to like and subscribe and comment down below what other tutorials I should do. If you guys are also wondering how to install VirtualBox, that is also at my YouTube channel. And the setup is complete, so now you can hit finish. You can buy a license if you want. I think you'll have more features. But once you click finish, the download should be done. And that's how you install VMware. Make sure to like and subscribe, and see ya.